This is Rachel with Unity Home Care. I wanted to talk to you today about our new branch location. We have a branch in Frederick, Maryland now. So if you are looking for care in Frederick, please give us a call. We want seniors to be able to stay in their home if that's what they're looking for. Our rates are very affordable. We start at about $29 an hour. We also have live-in care available, and we have a special with that where you are charged for 14 hours of care and you get 10 hours free. Please feel free to ask us questions about that. We can offer services for dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, any other kind of disabilities. If you want to stay in your home, we want to help you. And we want to create a care plan for you that will work for you. So we love helping families, and we are very flexible. And so if you're looking for care in the Frederick area, we look forward to talking to you. You can look us up at unityhomecarellc.com, and we will provide the website below. And you can also give us a call. The number will be posted below as well.